Hello and welcome to the online English classes for grade 12. Today, the topic of explanation is writing an article. So, what is an article? Article is a piece of non-fiction prose writing especially meant for newspaper, magazines or your school magazine. Non-fiction means that is totally and absolutely based on facts, based on reality and based on the information that is completely true and completely real. So, an article is written form of specific purpose like informing, persuading, convincing or entertaining the reader. So, an article is meant to entertain, to give information, to persuade the audience, the target audience regarding a certain issue. So, basically, the article is divided into three main parts. The beginning of the part here is for an article is introduction. So here one has to have a very provoking, very attractive language one has to use so that the target audience or the target reader, she reads the target as soon as one goes through the title, and the interest is developed from the first para itself, that is the introduction. Then comes the body. Here we will discuss the different aspects of the topic like causes, effects, advantages, disadvantages, merits and demerits. So all the aspects just now that we have discussed, these are to be discussed in the body of the article. Then last para here is about the conclusion. So one needs to conclude the article as effectively as we have started the introduction. So here one will give the person who is writing the article, he gives his viewpoint, he gives the comments or criticize a certain moment or certain thing or a certain bad thing about the topic that you have faced, or one has gone through something that you feel like that needs to be criticized, that needs to evoke the target audience's basic thinking, and then here it should always end with an appeal, a conclusion or warning. So it has to appeal, means there is something you want to people to know about, and they need to be smart about, and they need to be more the topic here we are discussing is that at the end it should appeal, it should evoke certain emotions that you need to bring out, and the topic that needs to be to evoke the awareness of the people. And last but not the least, the warning. If there is some issue on which the article has been written, so warning must be issued. If continuous usage, for example, one has to write an article on globalization and all that, so then you have to end the article with a warning that if it doesn't stop of global warming, if it doesn't stop, what effects will the coming generation, what effects would be seen in the environment. So there are certain causes, so these three main paragraph needs to be taken into consideration while writing an article. Now the next important topic for discussion is the format, which is the most important thing when we are writing a skill, when we are creating some composition and all. The most important and the most important thing there is the format. It has to be appropriate, it has to be apt. So for example, you have been given a question: failure and success are part of life. Failure shows us our weaknesses and help us to achieve success by conquering them. Write an article on failure is a stepping stone to success in 150 to 200 words. You are Girish or Garima. So the most important thing here is they have given you the word limit that should not exceed 200 words, and the next thing is they have given you the topic. So your article needs to start with the topic, that is failure is a stepping stone to success. Here comes the title, then who is writing, by whom is the article being written. So there comes the name. If it is boy, then they will write, boys will write down Girish and girls will write down Garima. So both these title and author's name, if they are correctly written, then you will score here 1 marks. Then comes the body, as we have discussed. And if there is grammatical accuracy, appropriateness of words and spellings, everything is correct, then here you will get 1.5 marks. So see, they have divided their article into few paragraphs. They have started with the introduction and how effectively they have given the the conclusion. And at the end, if it is coherent, if it is relevant, and everything is in a proportion, in apt proportion, ideas and style are coherently and relevant, absolutely relevant, then you will gather here 1.5 marks. So from this body of the paragraphs, you can secure maximum 4 marks. So the total here comes to be 8 marks. So you can aptly score very good marks if you are grammatically correct, and if the ideas and everything is aptly coherent with the given topic. So this is for the article writing for today. Thank you.